Volkswagen Golf, from visionary prototype to global bestseller. In 2024, the Volkswagen Golf celebrated its 50th anniversary, or anniversary as the brand's highest produced model, with over 37 million units sold since 1974. To commemorate this date, Volkswagen will present at the Bremen classic car show the Golf 1, alongside the 1969 EA 276 prototype, which anticipated several of the final model's technical solutions. The Golf marked a new era by replacing the Beetle with a modern architecture, front engine, front-wheel drive, and functional design by Giorgetto Giugiaro. It was a vehicle that revolutionized the compact segment, combining innovation, safety, and accessibility. Throughout its generations, it incorporated technologies such as ABS brakes, airbags, all-wheel drive, and more efficient engines. More than a commercial success, the Golf became a cultural icon, present in the lives of millions as a first car, family car, or sports GTI. His legacy continues thanks to constant evolution that is known to maintain its original essence.